May is National Bike to Work Month. For Nova region or area, we picked Friday this year is May 15th. And Bike to Work Day is really where we just promote. There's about 79 pit stops throughout the region. Fairfax County has 15. DOT sponsors 2, which is here at the Government Center. And really what we have is some swag, like t-shirts since you signed up during a certain day, and then just literature on biking safe, our bike maps that tell you kind of how to get around the county. And we invite other programs. Biking to Work is also a healthy alternative to driving your car. You're doing exercise while you're getting to work, but also just commuting purposes. We're getting more people off the road. So more, if you think of a car, it's about 18, 20 feet long, and we can fit about 10 to 15 cyclists in the same space.
We're gonna do a raffle.
We have some commuters that do about 8 miles. So when they get to the stop, it's a resting point. They have some water, get us some food in them. And while they're doing that, we have local bike shops that sponsor, and they'll do a free tune-up for your bike, which is great. We also have some other sponsors, Fanfare in Fairfax Corner, a local eatery, which is giving us 2 $15 gift cards. And then I think our grand one, Potbelly, giving us lunch for 4.
Michael Barino! I think he left too.
More than 75% are reoccurring bikers that are just comfortable with it, but there are about 10 to 15% that are completely new, that want to try it out, and it's a good day to do it.
Thanks for coming out today. Safe ride back.
Last minute advice: just be visible, be seen. Fluorescent colors, anything that reflects at night and during the day. Remember, like I said, Virginia treats you as a vehicle, so you want to make sure that you're safe.